Hi everyone, I'm Katie. I'm from Product Development, and today I'm going to talk to you about a couple of the blocks you're stitching this week, the typewriters. Placing the felt paper can be a little bit tricky, but we'll walk through it and I'll show you how simple it is. First off, before you begin, you have 6 typewriter felt papers that you can choose from. You're only going to choose 3 because you only have 3 typewriter blocks. Today we're going to choose this one, and these are the machine embroidery versions, but you have access to them in the hand sewing as well. I'm just going to use this for my example today. So first off, you'll have your background fabric that you've drawn your center line down the middle here, and then you've measured 2.5 inches down and then drawn that line as well. You're going to take your typewriter paper block and you're going to line it up with this 2.5 inch line down and visually center it again across this horizontal line as well, or vertical line. I'm sorry. You're going to visually center it and then you're going to pin it in place. Once you've pinned it in place, we're going to go over to your sewing machine and you'll just tack it down 1/4 inch. Once you've sewn it down, you'll then take your next piece of fabric with your heat and bond on the back, and you've cut it out and traced over top. You're just going to visually center this and then cover that stitch line and iron it down. Once you've done that, you're ready to continue with finishing your block and create a beautiful quilt. Thanks for watching. Happy stitching.